Yeah, Pictionary! Yeah! 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 Oh, yeah, this is good. What? I know what it is, I know what it is! What is it? Cheese!
No, you dummy, it's not cheese!
I know what it is.
What is it?
Cheese.
What are you, stupid?
Who's that? Kids? What's this? Ooh. What's this? Ooh.
Hey, you trying to buy some crack?
No, cheese,
Are
cheese.
you the cops?
No, no.
Hey, come here, get him, he's the cops!
Wait,
Get
no,
him, fool!
get him. Yeah. There.
Shark Puppet, you've been drafted to fight in World War III. Let's go.
No,
Let's go!
no.
Let's go! Let's go!
I got that.
Yeah,
Yeah, a challenge. Do something stupid, dog. Oh, no. Ooh, Ouija board. Yeah. Okay. Someone took my cheese, so time to find out. Did you take my cheese? Oh. Oh, I knew it. I knew you did. What? My cheese! How do you... Did you eat my cheese? Okay. Oh, no. I hate Ouija board. What's all this? Wait, what? For some relaxing ASMR. Yeah. Hey, I got a challenge for you.
What is it?
Okay, so I put a word on that piece of paper. If you can read it, you got all my cheese.
Alright, that's easy.
Yeah, pull. Yeah. Human, get him. Yeah. Spray tan.
Hi, Shock Puppet.
Yeah.
You want a spray tan today?
Yeah.
Sure thing. You gotta sign this waiver first.
Yeah.
Good job, Shock
Yeah.
Puppet. All right. How dark do you want to be, Shock Puppet?
Yellow, like cheese.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Your backside. Looking pretty good over there.
I'm brown.
Well, I think you look very handsome, Shock Puppet, but I usually don't do very well on shock.
Hey, dog. Hey. No. Yeah. Yeah, go.
Let's go.
Suitcase. Yeah. Turkey time.
Yo, Shark Puppet,
Yeah.
watch my juice real quick. I gotta run.
Yeah, juice.
Don't touch it and don't drink it.
Yeah. Good juice. Yeah, good juice. Yeah. Hey, what?
Told you not to drink the juice. Get out of here.
sandwich.
Yeah.
Look at this. You got to do a picture with him. You have to do a picture. Get up there and do it.
No, it's not Shrek.
Do it now.
I'm scared of Shrek. What's up? What's up? Just put a house on my neck. Yeah, I'm flexing. I got it. Yeah, my money. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Are you buying this?
Yeah. Yeah, just take it. I'm ready.
You want me to take it or you want to buy it?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Take it off.
Okay. Does he bite?
No.
Okay.
Take. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready to buy. I'm ready to. I can't afford that chain. What the heck? Wait, what? No. Come on. I hate Sprite Grandma. I'm hungry though.
Hey, Shock Puppet.
Hey.
You want some candy?
Yeah.
It's special candy. You're gonna like it a lot.
Special?
Oh yeah, real special.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, candy.
You like that candy, huh? Special.
Orange. Too hard. You know what?
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. What's up? What? What's up? Hey. Malaysian fried rice. Chicken leg piece. Pizza Hut. Hello.
Hi, thanks for calling Pizza Hut. Pick up your delivery.
Cheese.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Cheese.
Yeah, we have a lot of cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, okay. So you must be looking for a new Cheez-It pizza.
Yeah, cheese.
All right, great. We'll send that right over.
What?
Pizza Hut delivery for Shock Puppet.
Yeah.
Here's your cheesy pizza thing, man.
Yeah. Where's the cheese? This is just cheese. It's not pizza. Cheese. Yeah. I'm so full. I love cheese. Yeah. Yeah, kayak. Hey, what? I want to play pool. I'm kayaking.
Come on, it'll be quick.
Okay. What are you guys doing?
I'm playing pool.
This isn't pool. Yeah, pool. Nah.
That's it for this week's video. Let us know in the comments below if you liked that video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more funny videos every week.